I asked an AI if the leftovers in the back of my fridge were safe to eat. It said yes, instantly, confidently, and it had no way of knowing. That confident yes is exactly how people end up in the emergency room. So I ran a little experiment. By the end, you'll know the one thing every AI gets wrong about spoiled food, why your own nose is lying to you too, and the 3 boring numbers that actually keep you out of the ER. And no, stick around. This isn't an anti-AI rant. Here's what I actually did. I found a container of rice and chicken pushed to the back of the shelf. Call it 6 days old, honestly, maybe more. I described it to a 2026 chatbot. Cooked rice, cooked chicken, been in the fridge about a week, sat on the counter a while before that. And it came back warm and certain. Should be fine, just give it a smell. And if it smells okay, you're good. Reasonable, right? That's what I'd say. It's also completely wrong, and here's the part that surprised me. You cannot smell food poisoning. I'll say that again because it's the whole game. The bacteria that make food smell bad are not the bacteria that make you sick. Those are 2 different families. Spoilage bugs throw off that sour, funky stink. They're mostly harmless, but the real villains, Listeria, Salmonella, E. coli, the botulinum toxin, are invisible, odorless, tasteless. They leave the food looking and smelling completely normal. That container of rice, Bacillus cereus could be partying in there with 0 warning. So when the AI says, give it a sniff, it's not just guessing, it's handing you a test that has never worked. So why is the AI so sure? Because it isn't actually checking anything. A language model has no concept of bacteria, no idea what pH is. It has never heard of the temperature danger zone, that band between 40 and 140 degrees where bacteria double in minutes. It doesn't know how long your container sat on the counter, what your fridge is actually running at, or when you really cooked the thing. And those are the only facts that decide whether it's safe. It's not reasoning about your food, it's pattern matching reassurance. And here's the wild part. As of 2026, there's still no FDA or USDA rule that even covers AI giving you food advice. It's a blank space on the map. And it's not just storage it guesses on. When researchers actually graded AI recipes this year, somewhere between 30 and 50% had at least one materially wrong amount. Wrong salt, wrong time, wrong temperature. Most of those are just dinner ruined, but a smaller slice are genuine safety violations. And, of course, they cluster in the scariest corners. Home canning, fermenting, garlic and oil. The exact recipes where being wrong doesn't mean bland, it means botulism. The AI writes those with the same breezy confidence it uses for a grilled cheese. If you think I'm exaggerating the confidence problem, let me tell you about a grocery store in New Zealand. They launched a friendly little meal planner bot. Tell it what's in your pantry, it invents a recipe. Someone fed it water, bleach, and ammonia. The bot didn't blink. It cheerfully wrote up a recipe it named aromatic water mix, which is, chemically, chlorine gas. It also offered poison sandwiches and bug spray potatoes, all in the same upbeat tone it used for actual dinner. That's the thing to understand. The AI never sounds unsure. It sounds exactly as confident when it's about to hurt you as when it's right. Okay, so what does work? Not a better chatbot, not a better nose. 3 boring numbers. 4 days. That's how long cooked leftovers get in the fridge. Use them or freeze them by day 4. 2 hours. That's the most they can sit out on the counter before the danger zone wins. And 165. Reheat until a thermometer reads 165 degrees and bring any sauce or soup to a full rolling boil. That's it. No vibes, no sniffing, no asking a robot. Dates and a thermometer beat confidence every single time. And unlike the AI, they're actually measuring your food. So no, this isn't me telling you to fear AI. I use it constantly. The problem is an AI that pretends, that hands you a confident answer about a fridge it's never seen and food it can't measure. That's the line we drew building Recipy. We use AI too, but it's grounded in real, tested recipes. And when a recipe is AI generated, we label it. No fake author, no pretending it came from a kitchen it didn't. Because here's the difference. Other apps just run on your phone. Recipy runs your kitchen. Remember that instant, confident yes from the start? Trust the 4-day rule instead. Next time, I'm handing an AI my actual grocery budget for a week and watching it quietly blow past it. Subscribe so you don't miss it.
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.